Hi, I'm David Masongsong from Luxury Shine Detailing. I'm pumped to give you some of the work I'm doing right now. And we're working on a special project. I want to show you the process, show you what it takes to give you that luxury shine. So come follow me on this little walk that we have going to the hangar and check out this amazing, amazing project. We're almost there, so I'm pretty pumped to show you this project. Come check it out. All right, so what we have here is a Sikorsky S-76-C. We're installing Feynlab Hydro on this aircraft. It's for protection to the paint, high gloss, high shine, and an ease of maintenance. So we're gonna walk through the whole process. I hope you enjoy it. And by the way, I'm rocking a red and black hat for the Toronto Raptors, and it's matching our client's aircraft right here, red and black. So I hope you enjoy, and come check this out. So some of the things we're going to be using to install this hydro coating from Feynlab is we're going to use a Rubes 21 polisher to do all the compounding. We have respirators to make sure we work safe, and as well as gloves. And it's a 4-part system. We're going to use a compound, a primer, a base coat, and a top coat. So all in all, we're going to make sure we work safe, we work smart, we work very thorough on our application, and we do what we do best. So we give you that luxury shine. So the first thing we're going to do is work on this panel. And this panel, we're lucky that it was taken off the aircraft and we could visually inspect it for anything that may cause us some issues when we're polishing. So we went through this panel, it's perfectly fine. There's no chips, there's no deep scratches that we got to worry about. And all the important stuff such as electronics is not on this panel. So we're going to first clean the panel, wipe it down, and remove all the greases and oils that may be left from when the technicians removed it. And then we're going to go through the process of polishing. All right, next step is I'm going to take my Feynlab resin compound, put it on my polisher, and work a 2x2 area to correct the paint prior to the step 2. So I'm doing the crosshatch pass, the crosshatch pattern, 50-50 over every pass. My speed is set on 4. I don't need to go too crazy with the correction here. And I generally slow down in areas that have some paint imperfection. One thing I gotta make sure is not touch the polisher on the plexiglass. I'm very careful when I'm getting in this area here. So when I'm inspecting the paint, I try to look for my reflection, trying to get that selfie shine. So looking at this paint, I think I got it. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is apply hydro primer, and that is the process right after doing the compounding. So we're gonna do a crosshatch pattern throughout the whole panel. All right, we put step 2 throughout this whole panel. Want to make sure it's evenly distributed, and we're gonna wait for this to set up. So it's a primer. It's gonna allow us to bond the coating to the paint, and this takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll wait for that. I think 15 minutes is up now. Primer's done setting up. It's been about 15 to 20 minutes. We're ready for step 3, which is the base coat. So we're gonna apply it in the same manner of the crosshatch pattern, and we are not going to remove the primer. We're just going to go straight into the base coat. So after applying step 3, we're going to wait another 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to put the top coat on. So we're going to let this chemically bond to the paint, and then we'll ready for step 4. Okay, now I think it's been 15 minutes. Let's go head back. Base coat is pretty much set up here. Do a little bit of a swipe test. Now we're ready for a top coat. So top coat's gonna go on. The difference is, after top coat, we're gonna buff it right off. Then we're gonna get that luxury shine. So same, even pattern, crosshatch. This ensures that it's leveled out. I'm just gonna go over this and start wiping it off. All right, so the 4th coat is done. It's gonna take about 2 hours until this panel can go back onto the aircraft. While we're doing that, we might as well cut to the chase and you get to see all the work that we're doing on this aircraft. So, cut to the video. All right, we got a special delivery here. It's carbon fiber interior pieces being installed into that aircraft. We're done with what we have to do in getting all the paint ceramic coated. So I just want to give a big shout out to everybody out there. Chartrite for allowing us to work on this aircraft here. They have an awesome staff, awesome crew. And a big shout out to Patrick. Patrick came out here to help me out. This big guy right here on this aircraft, which took us about 3 days, and it came out looking phenomenal. So again, thank you everybody. Thank you to Blue Sky Detailing as well. We partnered up to work together on this, and now we have awesome finished products. So thank you everybody. I hope you enjoy. Follow me. Hit me up on Instagram at Luxury Shine Detailing. And, you know, send me some love, you know, put some comments down below and let me know how I did. And if you want any more of this footage or any other content that you would like me to create, please comment down below. All right, thank you. Peace out.
That was the gang.